Then he continues to say, and I must chant this one, it's my favorite. Prakashomi Nijam Rupam Natirikto Samyaham Tata Yada Prakashate Vishwam Tadaham Bhasa Evahi. Shining or light is my essential nature, and I'm nothing over and beyond that. When the world shines forth, it is simply me, the self, that is shining forth. Have you seen the light in your dreams? That is the light of yourself. And then continues to say, all this appears to me in my imagination due to ignorance, just as a snake appears in the rope, the mirage of water in the sunlight, and the appearance of silver shining in the mother of pearl. The Rishi says, all this which has originated out of me is resolved back into me too, like a jug fashioned of clay back into clay, a wave back into water, a bracelet back into gold, this world back into me, the self, the dreamer.